this is Bree with my son,
Aiden.
and today we are going to be unboxing a present that he got from his grandmother.
We are at his house right now.
So first, she said for us to read the card. It says, "Hey buddy, thought you would like this. Glad you're here.
Love, Nana." Aww. Thank you, Nana. Ew. It's just like the other one we unboxed at one time. That green stuff.
You want to show what it looks like inside?"
Yeah. It looks just like a cardboard. That's so cool. It looks like shiny.
Alright. Now Aiden's going to try to get...
What the heck is this? I can't see. I cannot see. What the? I'm going to close my eyes. I'm closing my eyes.
I can see
So
it now. I'm
everybody-
trying to get it out.
Everybody can see that I'm trying to close my eyes. I can.
Okay, what is it, Aiden?
Oh, it's a little flower pot. Yeah.
Got succulents in it?
Yeah, and I have my favorite stuff.
Aiden loves succulents, so he is. Are you excited?
Yeah, I can grow them.
Yeah.
All of them are real.
Mm-hmm.
All of them feel so good.
Can you say thank you for watching our
Thank
video?
you.
Don't forget to subscribe
And give us a big thumbs up. Bye, guys.